Hi guys and welcome, this is Lucas from the Crypto Hook here, and in today's video I would like to show you guys a really nice and fresh ICO called Medical Cannabis. So it is really interesting for me, and it's something really new in the ICO, in general in the cryptocurrency, in the blockchain industry. So before we start, if you want to guys maybe visit their page by your own to do your own research, just go to their page to see what is inside, to maybe go to their white paper, which is exactly here in the white paper button here. Do it now. Their website is called MCAN.io. So let's start from the beginning. As you can see, their motto is medical cannabis for the blockchain area, medical revolution for well-being of humanity. And the pre-ICO will end in 17 days, we have still a little bit time to maybe think about it if this project is suitable for us. In general, their mission is to eradicate diseases and create well-being for mankind. The company plans to establish and expand throughout the world, and the stakeholders will have a mutual growth while contributing to the betterment of humanity. So it is really something what I think is really impressive for me, and I think it's a really good idea for the ICO and for the project. So we can be a part of the medical revolution breakthrough with innovation driven medical technology using cannabis for treatment of cancer, multiple sclerosis, etc. Because as we know, the medical cannabis is really helpful for curing the diseases. So it is what their project is about. And okay, let's open also the white paper here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, here's the white paper. And what about the white paper? It is really impressive because as well it has more than 47 pages, so it is really extended, and I think that we can get a lot of value from the white paper. But for now, let's go further. Here we have the 6 minutes movie. We'll watch it together at the end, because it is also always worth to see what the creators want to tell us about their own project. And EIMCR. So what it is. Okay, which International Limited, okay, is incorporated in the British Virgin Islands as a BVI business company on the 6th day of February of 2008. Okay, the purpose of this company is to coordinate rigorous scientific studies to assess the safety and efficacy of medical cannabis and compounds from medical cannabis for treating medical conditions. The focus is on genetic development and species nurturing using state-of-the-art technologies. Okay. Also, the institute works on the identification and registration of new cannabis species that will likely be discovered during the research. So it is really, this is the team which is still and constantly working to improve and trying to improve the field of the medical cannabis in the medical use. So it is really great. So okay, and here we have the benefits for the coin holders. So for example, if you will buy this token of them, because here we have the initial coin offering. Okay, we'll watch it in the minutes. So what benefits we can get? So the company offers revenue sharing to MCAN coin holders on a monthly basis. Okay, the company offers dividend to MCAN coin holders on the quarterly basis. Okay. 1 free share for participants who hold 1000 M coins bought during pre-ICO period. And yeah, now we have the pre-ICO period, so it is important for us. The pre-ICO discount is 30%, so it is really great, because when I was reviewing like other ICOs before, the former bonus was like maybe 5, maybe 10%. Here, with this ICO, we can get up to 30%, as we can watch, as you can see there, 30% of the bonus. So it is really great. We can buy this coin via the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and Ripple. Okay. And the coin price is the 10 euro cents. The coin symbol is MCAN, okay. And the minimum purchase is for 15 euros. Total number of coins 5 billion, okay. The maximum purchase is 10 millions, okay. And it's really, I think it's really great. So how to buy the MCAN coins? Just click there, how to buy it. And it is actually the guide how to buy it. So the first step is from the website. When you click the buy coin, you will be directly into the investor dashboard. So just basically go there, buy coins, and here we have the investor dashboards. Just we have to make our account here, email address, password, and click the register button, and that's how we can make it. And yeah, let's go further. Then step 2, we have to register our mail, verify mail, okay, login, okay, and specify the value of MCAN coins to buy through selected payment mode. I think that is really easy, so I think that you will not have problems with that. And the market statistics, because why this industry, this market is worth for us to invest. So for example, the current market size of medical cannabis is the equivalent of more than $8 billion, and their prediction is that it will grow to $140 billion in the 2027. So it will be like almost 20 times bigger than it's now. So it is really worth to invest into this area now, because it will be worth for us. And here we have the chart, the medical cannabis 7 years financial summary, okay. The year 1, year 2 will be the $200 million, and in the year 7 it will be already like $650 million. So it is really worth. And their vision. So European Institute for Medical Cannabis Research leads the way for genetic research and development of the cannabis plant, and this cannabis species is genetically re-engineered to aid in the medical upliftment. Okay. And how can be used? So coin holders will be able to use medical cannabis to pay for services and products of Vichy International Limited at a discounted rate. Referral commissions will be distributed via smart contract to holders of medical cannabis coins. And here we have the coin allocation, because it is also important. So 10% will go to the pre-ICO, 50% for the ICO, 5% for the pool, 12%, 12.5% will go to the legal and advisory, 5% for the referral program, and 17.5% to the team coins. And this is the fund allocation. The research and development 10%, production facility 45%, acquisition 20%, licensing and regulatory compliance 10%, land and security systems 3%, greenhouse installation 6%, and other costs 6%. So it is really great. And here we have the team. So the chairman is the Chandra Sekhar, and the CEO is Avtar Chagar. And what I like about them is that here's their website. Here we have the information about them, that he has over 40 years of experience in business, is the chairman and CEO founder of MCAN and the Vichy International Ltd. Okay. And here we have the nice information about them all. Okay, so it is what they are about. The MCAN products, the pills, the vapor pens, the medical cannabis teas, THC, chewcan. Okay, so we have the chewing gum with the THC. So it is kind of nice. And let's go to the white paper, because I have seen their their products as well. It is the CBD, THC, okay. And just give me 1 second. I want to show you something. Okay, this is how their greenhouse will look like. This is their plan, how it will look like, okay. And it is CBD, okay, THC. So their plans, okay, and this is the capsule and pills, how it will look like. Medical sprays, the company TS with the cannabis, the MCAN, this is the chewing gum with the THC. Okay, for example, for people which are suffering from the AIDS, and it is really great. So I really recommend you guys to visit their page by your own and do your own research. Here we have the roadmap. So in the first half of 2018, their corporation with various blockchain specialists, advisors to form strategic alliance, and they will go further. They want to maybe end their consumption in 2021 with the IPO, with the initial public offering in major global exchanges, the London Stock Exchange, further expansion, okay, and aggressive marketing in current markets to 8 more new countries in 2 years. So it is really great. So thank you guys for watching, and I really recommend you to visit their page by your own, and now we will watch their video together.
Cannabis is the only plant in this entire planet that has tremendous number of substances and properties to cure various chronic diseases. The way we see cannabis industry is changing towards healthcare. The medical cannabis industry will attribute to 52% of the total cannabis market and will become a $140 billion industry by 2027. Until today, research scientists are struggling to find a proper cure for various chronic conditions. This is where MCAN comes, and genetically modified cannabis, a breakthrough after our research since 2008.
When regular cannabis is used as medicine, we cannot be sure of the mix of chemicals in it, and this leads to imbalanced dosages. These factors would make it difficult for a doctor to prescribe to a patient. So even though where medical cannabis is legal, a doctor often doesn't prescribe it like other medicines. We know one thing for sure: our pharmaceutical preparations have been tested. Our perfectly dosed cannabinoid-infused products, such as vapor pens, capsules, injections, and medical sprays, are highly beneficial for patients. Our genetically modified cannabis strains are highly sought after, as we can extract 14 times more of THC and CBD than regular strains. And we are able to balance these compounds to create effective, optimal ratios. Medical cannabis requires high-tech grow lights where the plants are grown under hygiene and sanitary conditions. The growing rooms need their own recycled air, with no possibility of contaminated air entering the greenhouse. Hygiene has been taken very seriously, so no contamination whatsoever occurs.
We found a solution to relieve nausea and loss of appetite with our MCAN and sip-by-sip tea. These symptoms are generally seen after chemotherapy. Our research proves that THC-infused injections have the potential to destroy incurable cancer cells. Our latest addition to our product line is the medical sprays for the treatment of pain and spasticity due to multiple sclerosis. Our capsule and pills help in chronic cancer, epilepsy, PTSD, and other psychological disorders.
MCAN coins are stored on our own blockchain. Our coins have special features such as faster confirmation times, incorruptibility, and additional security. The faster block time of our blockchain reduces the risk of double spending attacks.
Our coins will be listed on many permanent exchanges, which will enable our investors to trade on the cryptocurrency with ease. In addition, If you purchase our products or services with MCAN coins, you get a discount.
Hi. For the past 40 years, I am in business. My role has been leading several companies, merging and acquiring companies, turning companies into highly profitable entities, and listing them on several stock exchanges. Companies such as Trevira GmbH in Germany, Polisindo Eka Perkasa, which now changed name as Asia Pacific Fiber, and several more. However, apart from business, it always in my heart to help people with chronic medical condition, people with syndrome where doctors and scientists has not found the cure yet due to the complexity of the problems. Medical conditions such as chronic cancer, epilepsy, schizophrenia, post-traumatic stress disorder, multiple sclerosis, and several more which are still having no medicine yet. Vici Internationals believes that the community plays an integral part of its plan in its goal to become a global brand in medical cannabis. Hence, the company wants the community to participate in the growth through our offering with MCAN coins. MCAN coins will be listed in all major crypto exchanges. In addition to this, our coin holders have the opportunity to be part of the company when we get listed on Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange, and other stock exchanges. Apart from our missions to create a well-being for humanity, we also invite investors to invest in a highly profitable, stable, growth-oriented organization. My close relatives suffer from cancer and stay months in hospital. This event encouraged me to establish a research institute. After years of researching, we found out that cannabis got substances and properties that can cure many chronic medical conditions. At Vici International, we plan to establish and expand throughout the world. Our audited current turnover is $60 million, and with expansion plan in the pipeline, we strongly believe to reach in excess of $600 million in the next 3 years. Finally, let me emphasize one important note. It's wise to invest smartly and generate high return on your portfolio. However, it is noble to invest and contribute for well-being of humanity.